This is our 2008 Formula 45 Power Yacht, and if you're serious about these boats, you have to see this one. The owner has maintained this yacht with an open checkbook, plus it has been under the constant care of vessel management. This Formula 45 yacht is powered by twin Volvo IPS 600 diesels, sitting in a well-kept and well-lit engine room. It has distinctive hardtop styling, and with its versatile layout, it takes luxury cruising to the next level. Features include a hydraulic swim platform, transom speakers, and Volvo controls with a joystick docking system for ease of use. Check out the listing in the description for all of the details, and enjoy the walkthrough. We hope you enjoyed this video walkthrough of our 2008 Formula 45. As always, the full specs and asking price are at the link in the description below. Thanks for watching, and please consider subscribing for more video walkthroughs. For more listings, visit our website.